Hi, I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Georgia.
And I'm Emily, and we will be teaching you about what's so cool about manufacturing.
We live in a world that never sleeps, with vehicles running around us constantly. The companies that are advancing vehicle safety are helping our world forge ahead in ways that we can't imagine. The people behind these safety components and ideas are working tirelessly to make our world a better place.
I think we have the greatest people in the world who work here. They come in every day to make products that make people safer, and I think they love what they do. And I love working with them on an everyday basis. They always amaze me with what they're able to come up with, the problems they're able to solve, and the ideas they're able to put into action.
United Safety's main mission is to help the people and the workers inside.
It's gratifying to help the other person out so we can all accomplish our goal.
United Safety creates technology to keep our world safe, as well as the employees. Combining teamwork and personal goals keeps workers happy and on task, establishing a beautiful environment.
Manufacturing is all about teamwork. No one person will usually create an item from beginning to end.
United Safety is a company that embraces their jobs and culture.
In manufacturing, you get to really work with a diverse group of people.
There are many ways you can help our world. Is this the way for you?
Thank you to everyone at United Safety for making this video possible.